Hi and welcome back to BNN. Jowieirungu was to hear the sentencing of the Monica Kimani murder case today, but that has not been the case. Last month on February 9th, Jowie was found guilty, whereas his ex, Jackie Maribe, was acquitted of the charges. Jowie has since been in police custody awaiting his sentencing, which was scheduled for today. When appearing in court today, Jowie was carrying a book that most people online assumed to be a Bible, and he was seen perusing through some documents. Jowie's mom was also present at court. I can't imagine the kind of pain she's going through, having to see your son go through all this. Now, Lady Justice Nzioka said that she was really disappointed that the case had to be postponed, and the case was postponed. We'll get into the reasons in a few. Let's just hear the few things she had to say about it.
I'm sorry, I will not be able to give you 7 days. It's too long a time. Counsel, if you are coming in this matter, there's already a counsel. You can have a discussion with him. 7 days is too long a time to put in submissions.
One of the reasons why Jowie's case was postponed is because, one, he changed lawyers last minute, and the current lawyer, Hassan Nandwa, was asking for more time to come up with a reply, because it is given when sentencing is done, the accused comes up with a mitigation report, to which the lawyer was asking for more time to check the evidence, to check the submissions given by both teams, to come up with a reply. In short, mitigation report is a report that you give to say why you feel your client should get a lesser punishment or outcome.
Really, ideally, when we received the sentencing report yesterday, we did our very best within 3 few hours to prepare and file our submissions. I think the time that the court is extended to them would be sufficient. So for us, we're ready, but all the court says this afternoon, we will be ready to.
I was going to come back in the afternoon at 3, and you can see I could have come at 2 just to allow the other parties adequate time, maybe about 3, 4, 5 hours to work, 4 hours. But if that is not working for them, remember it's their life of the client which is at stake. All right? And 2, we must be sensitive because you are the people who are filing your documents very late, and they cannot and could not have filed until they had seen the documents. But for information, I already know the entire content of the pre-sentence report, and part of my judgment on sentencing has already incorporated that.
Reason number 2 why the sentencing was postponed is because Jowie's team didn't have something to use for the mitigation report. That being said, it means that the other parties involved, the ODPP and Monica's team, I assume, gave their submissions late as yesterday 7 p.m, Thursday 7 p.m. Submissions in layman language is evidence or information from both parties involved in regard to what they want the outcome to be. This was given very late, and the other team couldn't come up with a reply on the same, as they also need ample time to come up with a reply on the same. Lady Justice Nzioka was not at all pleased that there's been a delay again. The case has suffered a lot of postponing, this not being the first time. The case has been postponed to March, Wednesday 13th. Some feel it's by design, others feel like Jowie will walk away with a lesser sentence. What do you guys think? Do engage with us in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Catch you next time.
Wednesday, 11:30.